Hello everyone, this is James. Today I'm going to show you how to assign a custom page header to various locations within your site. This is done in the WordPress customizer. So first you're going to go to Appearance and Customize. And in there you're going to go to Design, Header, Page Headers. So by default, the header that's going to be displayed is going to be the header that's customized and where the layout is created within the WordPress customizer as it has been in the previous versions of Crio and Crio Pro. And that is what is set here. Use customizer settings. Now, if you want to set a page header to be displayed across your entire site, this is going to be changed here. And I'm going to set it to show the basic header layout that I created in the first video. And it's very similar, as you can tell, to the default header that comes with the um, starter content. Now, if you want it to only display on a specific page or post or type, you can set that here. And whenever you set something here, it's going to override whatever you have set here. So you can have one header layout that is displayed across the entire site, and then you can have a different one that's displayed on posts. So let's go ahead and change posts to use a test header. And it's going to automatically take you to that page. That way you can see what it looks like without having to manually go find a post to. So this shows our page header here. If you have your site configured to display page titles and your header that you created does not contain a page title, it'll still display that here below using the default settings or whatever settings you have here in the customizer. Right. Last, there is the option to assign a page header for a very specific page or post. And you can do that by going to the post and editing the post directly. So you're going to have an option down here that says either use global settings or use post settings. So right now it shows that the global settings is for the customizer header. We're going to go to use post setting and test header. And this is going to allow you to override whatever settings are in the customizer and display this header specifically for this post. Thank you for watching. Next video, I'm going to discuss how to customize the appearance of your menu in the customizer. Thank you for watching.